We continue our team coverage tonight, focusing on another side of the Safety Act, law enforcement, and how this all may impact officers. WCI3's Amanda Brennan is with us. Amanda, nothing drastic is happening on their end for now.
Jessica, that's right. And I talked to 3 different sheriffs across central Illinois today. All of them say things are moving forward business as usual for their departments for now. Some say they are open-minded to changes in reform. One says he's optimistic the court will operate under the Constitution.
It is unconstitutional to not bond these people and to make sure that they come to court. And if we were to, not do that, then we would be in violation of the Constitution. And I don't think anybody willfully and wants to violate people's rights.
Macon County Sheriff Jim Root says his department has been preparing for the Pretrial Fairness Act transition for 3 weeks. Now that preparation includes looking at a ruling that declares the elimination of cash bail unconstitutional.
This court ruling allows for some of those things that were taken away from the judiciary to allow them to continue doing what they're doing.
Macon County is one of the over 60 counties involved in the lawsuit.
We're back to the system of the criminals are being held accountable and the victims' rights are being looked at.
Coles County is another.
Those provisions won't affect the way that we're doing things until the Supreme Court weighs in on it.
Sheriff Kent Martin knows the information is all still fresh, but understands that right now there are no major changes on his end. But if the Supreme Court decides to drop the Kankakee County judge's ruling and cash bail is eliminated, he says his staff is ready to make a plan.
I would rather get prepared and then not need to go forward with that than to just stop and be dead in the water.
Martin says he's had concerns the whole time and felt going through the over 700-page Safety Act was rushed.
There were some questions about what certain phrases in that act meant, and there just really weren't any good hard and fast answers.
Champaign County is not a part of the lawsuit, and Sheriff Dustin Harmon says they're moving forward as if it didn't happen. Root says he just wants to be involved.
We want a seat at the table and we want our voices to be heard.
The Illinois Sheriff's Association represents sheriffs across the state, and they did have a seat at the table during the latest negotiations surrounding the Safety Act. They shifted from opposing the law to being neutral on it after the latest amendment was passed at the beginning of the month. Jessica.
Amanda, thank you.